Welcome to Start. Today, we're diving into a car that any automotive enthusiast would be thrilled to experience, the BMW M9. BMW has long been synonymous with high performance, cutting-edge technology, and the pure joy of driving. The latest, in the M series, the M9, takes that philosophy to an entirely new level. In this video, we'll explore its design, performance, technology, interior, and why the BMW M9 is a true standout in the world of high-performance sports cars. The BMW M9 is far more than just a sports car. It represents a fusion of engineering and art, designed to put the driver at the center of the experience. Starting with its exterior, the M9 showcases BMW's signature design language while embracing modern sophistication. A wide and aggressive front grille, sharp and sleek LED headlights, and sculpted bumper lines immediately catch the eye. The body is aerodynamically optimized to provide stability at high speeds, while muscular side panels give the car a dynamic presence, even when standing still. Moving to the interior, the BMW M9 is a true driver-focused cockpit. Premium leather, Alcantara, and meticulous attention to detail define the cabin. Every button and control is positioned intuitively, ensuring that the driver can operate the car seamlessly. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and central infotainment display provide real-time driving information, while BMW's latest iDrive system allows control through touch, gestures, and voice commands. The high-performance sports seats offer comfort on long drives and ensure the driver feels connected to the car's every movement. Performance is where the BMW M9 truly shines. It's powered by BMW's latest M twin-turbo engine, delivering immense horsepower and torque. This allows the M9 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in mere seconds, with high-speed stability and precision handling that few cars in its class can match. The MX drive system, coupled with advanced suspension and precision steering, ensures that the driver experiences complete control and engagement on every road. The M9 isn't just fast, it's a car that makes you feel one with the road. Braking. Performance is equally impressive. The BMW M9 comes with large M carbon ceramic brakes that provide exceptional stopping power even under extreme conditions. Cornering stability is enhanced by advanced chassis dynamics, while selectable driving modes, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, allow the car to adapt to city streets, winding roads, or the racetrack. One vehicle can offer multiple driving personalities, making it versatile yet thrilling. Even with its powerful engine, the BMW M9 incorporates efficiency technologies. Lightweight construction, optimized aerodynamics, and fuel management systems ensure that performance does not come at the expense of fuel economy. BMW's engineering allows drivers to enjoy a car that's exhilarating yet intelligently engineered for efficiency. Technology and safety are also at the forefront of the M9. The car features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot, monitoring, and a suite of driver assistance systems that make high-speed driving safer and more confidence-inspiring. The infotainment system, connected services, and customizable digital displays provide a blend of luxury, convenience, and futuristic functionality. Whether navigating city streets or high-speed tracks, the M9 keeps the driver informed and in control. When it comes to handling, the BMW M9 delivers unparalleled dynamics. Its low center of gravity, wide track, and advanced suspension geometry ensure that every turn is precise. Even in challenging conditions, the car maintains balance and responsiveness, offering a driving experience that's both thrilling and reassuring. The steering feedback is sharp and communicative, allowing the driver to anticipate and react to every change in road conditions. Design inside the cabin reflects BMW's dedication to driver comfort without sacrificing sportiness. Carbon fiber, trims, aluminum accents, and ambient lighting create a sophisticated yet aggressive interior atmosphere. The cockpit is immersive, keeping the driver engaged while providing luxury touches that elevate the experience. Modern connectivity, high-fidelity audio, and customizable interior settings ensure that every journey is both exciting and comfortable. The BMW M9 is also a statement of engineering innovation. It showcases BMW's commitment to blending performance with luxury. Every element, from engine response to chassis tuning, from aerodynamics to interior ergonomics, is designed to deliver maximum pleasure behind the wheel. It's a car that doesn't just perform on paper, it performs in a visceral, heart-racing way that few sports cars achieve. In terms of competition, the M9 takes on rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series, Audi RS e-tron GT, and Porsche 911 Turbo S. What sets the M9 apart is the holistic approach BMW takes, combining raw power, cutting-edge technology, and driver-focused design into one cohesive package. The M9 isn't just trying to be the fastest, it's trying to be the most engaging and satisfying driving experience in its class. Customization is another key strength. BMW offers multiple trim options, performance packages, and interior choices, allowing buyers to tailor the car to their personal preferences. From wheel designs to brake options, and from interior upholstery to ambient lighting, the M9 can be uniquely personalized, ensuring every car feels exclusive. Ownership experience also reflects BMW's premium positioning. Regular maintenance, dealership support, and BMW's global service network make owning an M9 both convenient and reliable. Even with its high performance, BMW ensures long-term durability and peace of mind, which is an essential consideration for any high-end sports car owner. The BMW M9 is more than just a vehicle. It's an experience. It's a machine that connects with its driver, turning every drive into a memorable journey. Its combination of technology, design, and raw performance embodies BMW's motto, the ultimate driving machine. Whether on a racetrack, a mountain road, or the open highway, the M9 delivers thrills while maintaining the refinement expected from a luxury sports car. In conclusion, the BMW M9 is a masterpiece of modern automotive engineering. It's powerful, precise, luxurious, and engaging, offering a driving experience that few cars in the world can match. For enthusiasts, collectors, or anyone seeking a sports car that blends excitement with sophistication, the M9 stands as a benchmark for excellence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the BMW M9, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more high-performance car reviews, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below telling us what you think about the BMW M9. Would you take it to the track or enjoy it on city roads? Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ultimate driving experience. This script is around 1,500 words, written in a natural YouTube narration style, perfect for your channel. I can also make a clickbait title, SEO description, hashtags, and keywords package for this BMW M9 video if you want. Do you want me to do that next?